Hello students, I welcome you all to this video lecture on customs duty. In this particular video, we'll study illustration 14. From the following particulars, compute assessable value and customs duty payable. Cost of machine imported $40,000, packing charges $500, commission paid to broker at 5% on cost of machine. So on this 40,000, you have to find out 5%. Design and development charges incurred outside India $4,000. Technical fees paid $5,000. Sea freight charges $4,000. So what happens here? The transportation, mode of transportation is waterways. So we'll take this amount directly. If it was airways, we would have compared this amount with 20% of FOB price, but here it is waterways, so take the amount directly. Insurance $3,000. Material supplied by importer rupees 1,50,000. We have solved similar problem earlier, so this 1,50,000 will be added to the assessable value. Transportation charges and insurance premium from port to factory. We have understood by now, from port to factory means it is in the importing country, and once the goods are released from the customs office, whatever expenses are incurred, we will ignore those. So let us ignore this. Next, basic customs duty 12.5%, IGST 12%, safeguard duty is given 10%, compensation says 25%. Exchange rate they have given directly here, so $1 rupees 65. Ignore the transportation and insurance charges from port to factory as it is irrelevant for computation of customs duty payable. So we'll directly jump on to the problem, solution of the problem. Computation of assessable value of machine. Exchange rate is $1 is equal to rupees 65 and US dollar, and the amount in Indian rupees will be taken. So cost of machine they have given 40,000 US dollar. We have to convert that into Indian national rupees. So multiply by 65, 40,000 into 65, 26 lakh you will get. Next, packing charges they have given in dollars, $500 into 65. So take the amount. Commission they have clearly mentioned on cost of machine, 5% on cost of machine. So cost of machine is 40,000, 5%. So 2,000 will be the US dollar commission. We have to convert that into Indian national rupees, 1,30,000. 2,000 into 65, 1,30,000. Design and development charges, once again they have given in US dollars. We have to convert that into Indian national rupees. So 4,000 into 65, 2,60,000. Technical fees, 5,000 into 65, 3,25,000. Material supplied by importer 1,50,000. So FOB price is 34,97,500. Once you add all this, you will get 34,97,500. 26 lakh plus 32,500 plus 1,30,000 plus 2,60,000 plus 3,25,000 plus 1,50,000. Next, once you get the FOB price, take the transportation cost. Here it is sea freight, so take the amount directly. 4,000 into 65, so you will get 2,60,000. Add insurance also, 3,000 into 65, so 1,95,000. And at the end, assessable value of machine is 34,97,500 plus 2,60,000 plus 1,95,000, that is 39,52,500. Next, once we have found out the assessable value, let's go and find out the customs duty payable. So customs duty payable will begin by taking the assessable value 39,52,500. We'll take the same amount here. First and foremost, basic customs duty at 12.5% on assessable value. So 39,52,500 into 12.5%, 4,94,063, 4,94,063. NCCD is not given, CVD is not given. NCCD is National Calamity Contingent Duty, not mentioned. Countervailing duty is also not given. Subtotal, so 39,52,500 plus 4,94,063 you will get 44,46,563. 4,94,063, nothing to add there, take it as it is. Social welfare surcharge, whatever is the duty amount you have got till now, take 10% of it, you will get 49,406. They have given safeguard duty at 10% of assessable value. So assessable value is 39,52,500. On that, if you find out 10%, it will be 3,95,250. Same amount in both the columns. Protective duty is not there. Anti-dumping duty also is not mentioned. So by this we'll get subtotal B, 44,46,563 plus 49,406 plus 3,95,250. You'll get 48,91,219, and here in the duty column 4,94,063 plus 49,406 plus 3,95,250, you'll get 9,38,719. Add IGST at 12%, they have mentioned it as 12%, so 12% on subtotal B, please remember that. 49,91,219 into 12%, you will get 5,86,946. Write it in both the columns. Next, you will have to find out compensation cess at 25% on, once again, subtotal B. So 48,91,219 into 25%. So 12,22,805. You will write it in both the columns. Now you will get customs duty payable 27,48,470, and also cost of import. Once you add this 48,91,219 plus 5,86,946 plus 12,22,805, you will get 67,970. Same way, 9,38,719 plus 5,86,946 plus 12,22,805, you will get 47,48,470. Thank you.